Are you planning a bar top makeover? Let me show you a pro-style mosaic job that anyone can follow. We share real work every day. If you get it and you want to help, please just hit follow and stay with us. Let's start. I use a grinder to smooth the surface and get it ready for tiling. We check the position of the mosaic sheets before gluing. We align the mosaic sheets and fix them in place with masking tape. Then we use a grinder to trim the edges with a miter cut for a clean and professional corner finish. We apply the tile adhesive with a notched trowel, working in small sections. Each mosaic sheet is laid carefully, with even pressure to ensure full contact. Here, the miter edge is aligned precisely for a clean and professional border finish. And again, we use tape. That keeps the miter edge aligned during installation. Now, continuing just as I showed you, let's speed things up. They're small, a bit challenging, but trust me, it's going to look amazing. A bit of tape and the mosaic stays in place. Small tiles love to wander when you're gluing. This keeps them in line. Front edge comes first with resin and hardener. We mix them thoroughly until the color and texture are uniform. And that's the best part. It's strong, waterproof, and easy to clean up. Now that the edge is done, let's move up the wall and turn up the speed. As you will see, I will often add these trim spacers at this stage. They'll really help keep the edges aligned. This part might feel extra, but trust me, it's what keeps the whole thing looking right. If you're stopping at the straight lines below, great job, you're nearly there. But in our case, we're going the extra mile to tile this arch as well. I'm starting with the stick trick. I rotate it along the arch to trace the exact curve. To tackle the curved section, the first thing I do is lay out all the mosaic sheets. This helps me visualize the arch and plan the layout before anything is glued down. Now that everything's in place, I use the same stick from before to trace the curve. By rotating it along the arch, I mark the exact line I'll follow to cut the mosaic. Now that the steps are clear, I'll speed it up so you can watch the final result take shape. Now, just like we did for the bottom section, we'll continue all the way to the top. Enjoying the process? Let me know what you think in the comments. Before we move forward, I take a moment to smooth the miter edge. I gently pass some fine sandpaper over the grout to clean up any imperfections. Then, I will remove the tape, and the 45-degree cut looks clean, sharp, and ready for the next step. Next, I carefully remove all the tape from the wall. You can already see how neat the layout looks underneath. It's coming together beautifully. Now it's time to grout the entire surface. I press the grout deep into every joint, making sure every tiny gap is completely filled. This rich color really highlights the details of the mosaic and brings the whole project to life. And now it's time to speed again. And now, let's quickly recap what we've done so far. And here's the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the next project.